Imagine waking up each day feeling trapped. Your dreams seem far away. Your goals feel unattainable. Does this sound familiar? Many of us face these feelings. It's often due to limiting beliefs we hold. Today, let's discuss 5 common beliefs that limit our potential. Understanding these beliefs can ignite personal growth. The first belief is, I'm not good enough. This thought weighs heavy on many hearts. It convinces you that success is meant for others, not you. Ever compared yourself to someone else? Social media amplifies this feeling. Recognize this belief exists to protect you. It fears failure. But, remember, everyone starts somewhere. Build your skills step by step. Celebrate small wins to gain confidence. The second belief is, I don't have enough time. Life gets busy, right? You might feel overwhelmed with responsibilities. But here's a reality check. Time management can be learned. Start by prioritizing your tasks. Use tools like calendars or to-do lists. Set aside just 15 minutes daily for personal growth. Small changes can lead to big results. The third belief is, I need to be perfect. Perfectionism can paralyze you. You wait for the right moment to act, but that moment never comes. Here's a truth. Progress beats perfection. Share your work even if it feels imperfect. You'll discover opportunities to improve along the way. The fourth belief is, I can't change. This might be the biggest trap. You may think your personality or habits are fixed. But brain science shows we can grow and adapt throughout life. Start small. Choose one habit to focus on. Replace, I can't, with, I can learn. Having a growth mindset opens doors to possibility. The fifth and final belief is, others will judge me. Fear of judgment silences many dreams. You worry about what others might say or think. But here's an idea. Most people are wrapped up in their own lives. Focus on your journey. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who lift you up. Now let's review the key takeaways. Beliefs shape our reality. By identifying and challenging these 5 limiting beliefs, you can reclaim your narrative. Reflect on which beliefs resonate with you. Understand that change is possible. If you're ready to go deeper into this journey, consider joining my Success Mindset membership site. You'll find a supportive community and valuable resources. Check the link in the description to learn more. Remember, you're not stuck. You have the power to change. Take the next step toward your growth today.